In this video, I will show you how to create a group chat in Slack. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So one thing about Slack is group chats are always called channels. You can have a channel which is also a group. And the way you create a channel in Slack is by highlighting over the channel section. You see the three dots, you click on these three dots, you go to create, and then you go to create channel. Now on the create channel, you have different channels that you can create. You can create a blank channel, you can create a project starter kit, help request process, team support, a lot of channels. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to create a blank channel. You choose the blank channel, we're going to click next. On this page, you're going to name the channel. So let's name this a test channel. Once the channel is named, you have the visibility option to make it public or to make it private. We're going to make it private. And then we're going to create. To make sure that this private channel is useful, it means we need to add the emails of people that we want to see this channel. It's a private channel. If it's public, then it's going to be listed on this side of the channel. And if you want to add somebody to this Slack channel, you can either add them by name or you can add them by email if they are not in this Slack workstation. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That's how you create a channel on Slack. Until the next one, see ya.